Congratulations, this is your last video. This section F1 is like it's going to take forever to do this particular section because we have 6 videos. The good news is this one probably shouldn't take as long. All those applications, extensions, which some of you guys really don't like too much, but these are actually in the extensions area. It shouldn't take us much longer for this one. On 85, what we're going to do is we're given a function, but the function has a letter in it called a, in this case, and they give us how to evaluate f of 0 equals 2. We've got to find the value of a in this particular case. So on this one, it's pretty simple. You just plug 0 in for the x, substitute 0 in for the x, and the output should be 2. But that creates an equation for you. So it looks like this. So f of 0 equals 3 times 0 plus 8 over 2 times 0 minus a. And that gives you 8 over negative a. That's what happens when you put 0 in. But the answer to f of 0 should be 2. So f of 0 equals 2. And then so you just get an equation. 2 equals 8 over negative a. And it's now it's just a matter of solving for a. So multiply negative a to the other side. And a is simply negative 4. And that's all they're wanting. So all applications are not the end of the world. This one's probably one of the easier ones that we've done so far. So now 94 it's a word problem, and I kind of paraphrase a lot of it. It's several lines in your book, and I don't want to write the whole problem down. So if you want to follow with me, you need to pull out your book and read through it before you actually start on this problem here and look at it with me. But what this problem is, it's about the number of rooms, okay? And it's the number of housing units that you have that has a certain number of rooms. And the number of rooms will range from 2 to 9. So if you plug in 2, now if you want to know how many housing units have 2 rooms in it, you'd plug 2 into this formula and round it to the nearest, in the millions, because this is in millions, because it says housing units in millions. So if you want to know how many millions of houses have 2 rooms in it, you'd plug 2 in. Same thing if you want to plug 3 in. Notice the R is 2 to 9. So you don't have any housing units that have 10 rooms in it. So it's only from 2 to 9. So that's the domain of this particular function. So they want, the first part is to identify the independent variable, and that's all. So now, what is the independent variable? That was our very first video of this. And so what is the independent variable? Is it the input or is the output? It is the input. So input independent variable. So in this case, the independent variable is R, the number of rooms. Okay? Now they want us to evaluate n of 3. Now, I didn't do this prior to that. I usually will do this before the videos, but I didn't actually evaluate n of 3. So it would be 2.08 times 3 squared minus 22.901 times 3 plus 36.06. Now, I didn't do this prior, and so bear with me just a little bit. 2.08 times 3 squared minus 22.901 times 3 plus 36.06 and 2.08 times 3 squared is 9 minus 22.901 times 3 plus 36.06, and it gives me negative 13. That leads me to believe I think I made a mistake. So I'm writing the problem now at the beginning. Let's see again. Let's look at it again. 94. That's the mistake. It should be a negative in the front. Okay, sorry about that. So I wrote the formula down wrong. And let's try this over again. It won't take me as long this time because I just have to make that correction. You know something else I did? For some reason, I got all my signs transposed or something. Let me make sure that's a minus 36. I did get the last sign right. So let's look at it again. Let's see if I get my signs right before I start the problem, doesn't it? Ah, that's better. So that's a plus there, guys. I wrote the problem down incorrectly. It always helps if you write the problem down correctly. So it'll be 86.043. And that's million. So you're like, what is that number really? It's 86,043,000 housing units. So, but anyway, so that's what N of 3 is if you write the problem down correctly. So if you write the problem down correctly, that's what it is, and it's 86.043 million, and that's what a number is as a real looking number. Now, it was to provide the meaning of what N of 3 really is. They're basically saying the number of housing units, and you put this written in words, I'm not going to say it in words, but they're saying the number of housing units that have 3 rooms in it is 86,043,000 in this year. I think the year was in this. If you read the problem, I didn't write everything down like I said, but then the year 2011 is when this problem was created, and the number of housing units that had 3 rooms in it was 86,043,000. So I apologize for writing the problem down incorrectly, but we all do it. We all make mistakes. So, but anyway, just try to minimize those number of mistakes. So that's 85 and 94, and that concludes our 1.1. So thank you for watching.